Welcome back to another episode in the Sweden series. Today we're heading into the town of Jökönping, which is right about here. And unfortunately my mom's engine light came on in the car yesterday and she's a little sketched out, so we're going to take the bus into town. Made it into the town of Jökönping and it's about noon, so we're gonna grab a little lunch and then we'll do some exploration. Alright guys, so we're having some lunch at a beautiful spot on the water here. I got a burger and some fries, my mom got some fish, and what I really like about Sweden, they call it salad here, but everywhere just gives out free coleslaw, which is a nice little thing to munch on, and yeah, beautiful location here, hard to beat it. Well, that didn't even stand a chance. One thing I also love about Sweden is you go to a place like this and you always get free coffee. Alright, full and caffeinated. It's a beautiful day here in Jökönping, so we're going to do a little exploration. And this is one of the first days where it hasn't been super windy, so I'll be able to launch a drone in there, which is a huge bonus. Awesome flight, man. I gotta say, since I've been in Sweden, we've had a lot of gray and overcast days, but we had some blue skies, no wind, and it was a perfect day for a drone shot. So hope you guys enjoyed that footage. Now we're gonna make our way over to the match area. I believe this is where the matches were created. I'm not too sure, but we're gonna head down there and it seems like a really cool spot. Well, this place is super cool. They got a bunch of breweries along the side. It kind of reminds me of the distillery district in Toronto, but obviously it's not as old there. This is from like the 1800s, and yeah, a lot of history, just absolutely beautiful. Such a treat to shoot here. Alright folks, well, a few hours have passed now. I've just been editing the day away, and I was gonna wrap up the vlog here, but it is such a beautiful sunset once again, so I think I might go for a little bike ride around the lake and maybe grab a little ice cream. But check this out, like, come on. Absolutely insane views every single night. Alright guys, we got a nice little 88, or in English 88. This used to be one of my favorite little ice cream bars as a child, and I haven't had one since I've been here in Sweden, so let's see if it hits some nostalgic notes. Let's give it a taste. Hard to beat it. I'm gonna enjoy this nice little 88, and I think this is a good spot to wrap up the vlog. If you made it this far, like always, I appreciate you. Your support means the world to me. Thank you to my Patreons for keeping the dream alive, and I'll see you guys in the next one.